Good morning, my friends. Today I'm going to be painting a patio outside here under my pergola. I'm going to show you from beginning to end how to do it and how to, get it done nice and clean. So this is the culprit here. I got two steps leading up to a deck, and I'd like to change the color of these pavers I put down a few years ago. So the first thing we're going to do is sweep all the big heavy objects and get rid of them, and then we will use a blower to clean the rest. Okay, I am done power washing. It actually looks pretty good, much cleaner than the way it was. And to be honest with you, the paint is in very good condition, but I wanted to change the color more to a terracotta color, a little bit lighter than this, and change it. So give this a good time to dry. It's got to be dry 100%, and then look at it again. If need be, wash it one more time. Don't rush this process, because the cleaner the tiles are, the nicer the paint job will be when you're finished. All right, and don't forget to hose down, all the surrounding areas, fences, whatever you have. This is a pergola, so there's quite a bit of stuff to keep clean. All right, so we're waiting for it to dry. We'll come back, we'll test it, and then we'll start painting. Okay, I got it pretty cleaned. I got all the big debris off, and then I used my leaf blower to get rid of the sand and dust or whatever was out here. Next step, which is the most important step, is you need to power wash this to get rid of all the dirt and the grime that's been built up over the last 3-4 years. So I have a small, easy to use 2000 psi power washer that I'm going to use to clean this up before we do any painting. This is the color I like. I'm using a 6-inch woven roller. It's easier to control than a larger roller, and it doesn't splash as much. So let's get rolling. Now we're all finished. The painting looks great. Came out very nice. I am very happy with the color. There are the stairs. I left the old color between the blocks. I didn't fill it in because I wanted to see the difference, and also shows the patterns and everything, makes it look sharp. So this project took me from beginning to end, about 8 hours. A lot of time, drying time. After power washing was the main thing, and it looks great. So I hope you found this very helpful. Please click and subscribe to this channel, as we have many more projects coming up. Thank you, and have a great day.